Good morning. It is Monday, February 21st, 2022. It's right after 6 o'clock. This is the bridge into Lincoln Woods. And look at that. Wow. Just last week, 2 weeks ago we were here, and the ice was like 3 feet or more thick, with just a couple holes with some water flowing, and now it's like crazy. So today we're going out to hopefully do Bondcliff, Bond, and West Bond. Ooh, the bridge is bouncing. So it's all going to be dependent on water crossings, which I think are going to be doable on this end, so that should be okay. And it's about 21 and a half miles, so that's why we're out here at 6 a.m. All right. We are exactly 1 hour in, and right back there, if you go to the right, that goes out to Franconia Falls. And here we are. Now, I believe right after this, we enter the wilderness officially. So we have another, I think we have like almost another 1.5 miles or 2 miles on this. And then we turn and start climbing. Beautiful. Haven't seen anybody else. Don't really expect to see anyone for a while. There might be some people up on the bonds, maybe, if they did an overnight at Gio or possibly Zealand, although the water crossing after Zealand Hut was impassable 2 days ago, so I don't know. It's part of why we're doing an out and back, because I don't want to get stuck at a water crossing. All right, and we're off.
Laura's coming across the one sketchy water crossing. It might not be great after it warms up today, but if you just go quick and think light thoughts, you'll be fine.
Yeah. That will be like later. There is a little tiny tree we could...
That's true, we can get across over there.
Yeah, right. Okay, we just entered the Alpine Zone. Right, there's a sign for it. This area right here is quite steep. It's called Hillary Step. And we're almost to the summit. Probably 2/10 or a tenth.
No, less than a tenth.
Less than a tenth of Bondcliff. Right out in front of us here is Owl's Head, and then behind it is, I'm going to use one pole to point instead of two. We got Flume, Liberty, and then the rest of Franconia Ridge, which Lafayette is in a cloud. And then the pointy thing is Garfield. And then Galehead is that little bump right there. And behind us, Hancocks are over, my screen went dark, are over here. And then, let's see, we've got, I can't see my screen, Loon. And then Scar Ridge, I think, comes off of Loon. And then the Tri-Pyramids, I can't really see going this direction, but the Tri-Pyramids are sort of in the center of my screen. Nice. All right, wind feels
33.
It's 33. The wind feels like it's about 10 right here. So we'll see. Nice. All right, we're almost to Bondcliff, and we'll get some wind chill is 20. Okay. And it's like 10:30ish. think. So, lovely. This is the view from the summit of Bondcliff. So this is West Bond over here. Grab a pole. Oh. And then Bond right there. So we're going there next. And then we go out along here. And I think the summit is actually that first bump for West Bond. And then right here, the presidentials are in this cloud. Yeah, it's kind of hazy. It doesn't feel like a winter hike. That's Kerrigan right there. Yeah. Wow, it's really hazy.
You mind if I go out there?
Nope. These are the, I can't even see on my screen, the Hancocks in here with a big slide on it. And then back into the Pemi. Oh, Moosilauke is behind Flume. Over there, it looks like it's in a cloud too. And then over here in the background is South Kinsman? North Kinsman? One of the Kinsmans. And then Franconia Ridge. Owl's Head, of course. And Garfield. Nice. John's walking over to the cliff right over here. Which, it's pretty scary when you stand on that. So, anyway, all right, next stop is Bond. Look at that nice blue sky this way. Unfortunately, this is looking to the west, so we'll see what happens. All right. This is the summit of Mount Bond. Right here is Bondcliff. Pretty much. It's all the same stuff, except you can see it's twins now over here. And this is Mount Neo over there. The other side. Presidentials are still in a cloud. Oh boy. Nice. Yeah, we are. We're gonna. Next stop is right there. And it's maybe about a mile. This one, 0.3 or 0.4. We're pretty close. We just saw the first hikers we've seen all day, and it was a couple who had stayed overnight at Gio and were on their way out. So I don't know if we're gonna see anyone else. It's like 11:30. So we'll definitely see people in Lincoln Woods on our way out, I would expect. Although it might be dark by the time we get down near the end, so maybe we won't see people. I don't know. But it sure is a nice day. Although I personally wouldn't want to be on a big exposed peak for very long. But I think of this weekend's days, this is the best day. I don't want to go there. All right, Franconia is good though. And we're off to West Bond. Okay, this is the summit of West Bond. It's 10 after 12, and it's really not bad up here. There's some wind, but it's like the warmest it's been since October. I feel like it's really warm. So this is Gio. This is Southwest Twin with the slides on it. And then, oops, South Twin. And then, I don't think we can see, anything else. And then Garfield, Franconia Ridge, Owl's Head. This thing right in front of us is still West Bond. But that is not as high, apparently, as this. So, we don't have to go over there. So that's good. This is the summit. And then right there is Bondcliff and Bond and Kerrigan right there. So we're gonna turn around and start walking back because
6 hours to get here, 6 hours to get back.
right.
Well, it could
And
be
it
less,
was
but-
yeah, hopefully it'll be a little bit less. And it's a little over 10 miles, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. So we're gonna pop down off of here and eat our lunch as we walk. Quiche today. I'm looking forward to it. Okay. I can't believe the sun is out now. It's looking pretty good. The presidentials are right here. They're still not looking so great. All right. So this is West Bond. And I probably won't shoot anything else. Maybe at the end, just to wrap it up. See what time it is when we get out of here. But we saw a couple on Bondcliff and a single guy skiing on Bond. And that's it. And they both of those two groups stayed overnight at Gio. And that's all we've seen.
It's weird.
I know.
It's weird to see that skier because Gio's not far from there. That's not a half a day walk from Gio to
What are you saying?
Bond. If he was
He's
there
just
last
skiing.
night, he got up at 11.
Yeah, he
camp
just
at 11:30
yeah.
and came out.
Yeah, he took his time. He didn't get in till late last night.
Well, we don't know that.
He said he was at 7
Oh,
o'clock.
really?
He was coming in. Yeah. I saw his crampons
Okay.
marks. Yeah. Anyway, chat. There we go. It's a little bit hazy. All right, we're off.
Yeah, about 4,000 too.
Okay, we are done. We're done. It's still light out. This is bouncing. Woohoo! All right, and I think, what time is it? Like 5:20? Let's see.
5:15.
5:15. Yay! And how many miles? Do you know? No.
Yep, I do. 21.66 miles.
Oh, 21.66 miles. Done. There's some stuff at the Lost and Found.